listener me, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Red Luna Journal. So today I'm going to be doing Halloween costume ideas when you have nothing to wear and you have no clue. Literally most people out there, I feel like, don't want to go out the extra mile and like spend $50 on like one of those pre-made outfits, or we try to DIY it. So I wanted to show you guys like 10 outfits that I created through my closet, and it literally was so easy. Like I didn't even have to do anything for it. I just grabbed a couple of different pieces and put them together, and it was a Halloween costume. So make sure to watch all the way till the end of the video. And yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the rest of this video. This costume is pretty much just being a band groupie. So I have this sweatshirt from my favorite K-pop girl group, and their name is Blackpink. And so yeah, just, you know, don't mind my terrible acting in here. I'm trying to act like someone who's obsessed with a band or an artist. But yeah, this one is also super easy. All you need is like their merch, and you can just pretty much act crazy and you'll be good. This outfit is probably the most cringy and popular for 2019, so I am obviously trying to be a Visco girl. I have my oversized t-shirt, I have like sports shorts underneath, and then I have a not knockoff Hydro Flask, but sort of a Hydro Flask. I have my hair in a scrunchie, I have scrunchies on my arms, and then I also have this little mini black backpack that can substitute for that like Fink and Rankin whatever. And then for this outfit, I pretty much became like a modern Sleeping Beauty. So I'm like literally asleep. That's what that means. So I'm wearing sweatpants, I'm wearing like a comfy shirt, a cardigan, and then I have like an eye mask. And then I also have like my neck airport like travel pillow. And yeah, that's like really easy. You get to wear your pajamas to the party. So super cool. This is super easy. As you can see, I'm just wearing a simple top and pair of leggings. And then all you have to do is take a cardigan or an apron if you have one and just tie it around your waist but backwards. And so I did that for the cardigan because it kind of makes it look like one of those like sushi chef apron things. And then you could also wear like a chef's hat or something if you want, but I just pretty much carry around a spatula and a ladle to make it look like I'm a chef, and that's literally how simple it is. It's super easy, super quick. This costume is, once again, something that everyone, I feel like, should have in their closet, at least for this year, since animal print has been such a big trend. So literally just take anything that you have that has like somewhat of an animal print, and you're that animal. It's really easy. This next one is also something that you should all pretty much have in your closet. It's anything that has to do with sports. So whether you have a jersey from your like favorite team, or you have like outfits I used to wear in high school for sports. I'm wearing my golf jacket that I used to wear when I was on the golf team in high school, and so I'm literally becoming how I used to like look for my golf games, and so it's really easy, and then you can just call yourself a golf player. So that's super simple. If you have like a football jersey or something, you can just put those like black lines underneath your eyes, maybe wear a helmet or something, and you're a football player. So it's that simple. For this army/military person one, it's so easy. Literally all you need is some kind of like military army green t-shirt, dress, whatever, and you can take like black face makeup and maybe put some like military stuff, you know, like on your face. I didn't do that, but literally that's all you need, like just something dark green to make it look like you're in the army. You could also jazz it up with some like cargo pants and stuff. So yeah, obviously this one is like super straightforward. This costume is also really super easy. So literally all you have to do is take any like shirt or anything like that you have that has like a logo on it, like a company logo. So you can either be like that company or an employee of that company. So for example, I have like the company I interned at over the summer, or a better example of that would be, you know, having like a Google hat, and you can be like Google, the search engine, or you could be like someone who works at Google. This outfit I feel like is the most unique one. I just came up with this by myself. I don't know if this is like already a thing, but I thought it was cool that you could be like a pattern for Halloween. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I thought it was cool. So like I have a ton of striped things, so literally all I did was like throw together like all my striped clothing items, and when people ask you what you are, you could just say you're stripes for Halloween. So I thought that was kind of funny. I don't know. This outfit is that stereotypical like 70s groovy gal. So once again, I'm just combining patterns in this one. It should also be really easy because you don't have to like follow a specific style for this outfit. For this costume, you really just need to take like any clothing pieces that have like contrasting patterns, put them together, maybe wear a pair of like big sunglasses, some dangly earrings, and you could just call yourself a 70s gal. Okay, so that was all the costumes that I came up with that are super simple for you guys and literally will take 30 seconds to put together if you're going to like a last minute party or something, or you just don't want to spend that much effort on actually making a Halloween costume. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!